and welcome to our submission for the hackathon. We made an app called UNI-VERSE. Now, what does it do? Well, it's pretty simple. We've all been applying to colleges. It's not easy, and it's honestly a pain in the donkey. So, we made an app to make it a little bit easier. UNI-VERSE. Welcome to our and your universe. This is the home screen where we'll start and show you all the important parts about our website. So first, we're going to talk about our main and most important functionality, the search function. Now this was built using Django and using data from an API from a college
scorecard API.
College scorecard API. So let's say you want to go to school. Let's say you're aiming high, huh? Let's say you want to go to the place where it's at. Let's say you want to go to Harding University. All right, and click on go. You're gonna get some cool stuff. You're gonna get some information about it, where it's located, its website, some SAT scores. Maybe we could get in, I don't know, might be a bit of a reach for me with the way today's been going. Some tuition, how much it might cost for you in thousands. And this is the pretty cool stuff. We have some pie plots where it shows the distribution of diversity, where you have different how many men, how many women. It shows you more in depth based on ethnicity and race.
Yeah, and also there's another feature where if you click on any of these buttons, you can take them away from the distribution. So let's say you don't want it to factor in one of the ethnicities, then you can see the percentages of the other ones. Yeah. You
can take them away and you can watch them.
Okay, and here's our main code for our search function. So first, on the top, it's the connection with the Django template. And then as we go in here, we put the inline style. This basically just centers it, creates nice boxes. And then here's our button, which submits your input, whatever you wrote, and this is where the rest of the code happens, right? Where it takes what your input was and it converts it to a link, and it sends you the link with all of the information for that data, like you saw previously. So here's a sample of what it looks like. Obviously, it's not apples. It's the name of the school. We just use this to visualize it, and it's the link that we created with all of the data from that school. So this is what it looks like, and then here it takes the input. And yeah, and it basically just here it does filtering. So the drop down has a bunch of options, and these options get filtered depending on what you have. So let's say you have an A. Every school that doesn't have an A in it will get dropped from the filter, and you'll only have the schools that will fit your requirements.